To manifest means to create something from nothing, to bring something into existence, to make it real. To manifest means to make your dreams come true. And we have countless examples of this not just being a magical fairy tale, but making your dreams come true is actually possible if you do it right. Because the process of manifestation is shrouded in a lot of mystery, and also because our civilization has advanced rapidly in recent decades, I want to shed some light onto this mysterious and often poorly understood concept. If you choose to engage in the activity of manifestation, your first step is to realize your full potential as a divine creator. While this may sound overly spiritual and perhaps even blasphemous, it is an important first step. As you become a more skilled creator and manifestor, you will automatically realize and understand your potential, and you will understand why and how you are God, the creator of fate and the master of destiny. The second step to manifesting is to have a firm grasp and understanding of reality and the world you live in. Since you are a part of this world, you must also understand your own psyche, your mind, your body, your ego, and your soul. You must know and comprehend the universe to the same degree that you must know and comprehend yourself. That's why step 2 of the manifestation process directly enhances the first step. The better you understand the universe, the more you will realize your potential as a divine creator. Some may call this educational process an awakening or enlightenment. Step 3 to manifesting is to create a vision of that which you wish to manifest. Here, your fullest imagination will be demanded. Your fullest creativity and your ability to imagine new realities will be required. There are various ways for how to create a vision. It can be either fueled by desire or by lack. You can either find out what it is that you would really like to have, or you can explore what is still missing in your life, in this world, or in the universe. Notice that lack and desire are essentially informing the same thing. It is up to you, however, to create a coherent vision from both. It is important to notice that if you don't complete the first 2 steps, your vision will not have much meaning and it will probably not come to fruition. I mean, how could you possibly manifest your vision if you have not realized your full potential as a divine creator and if you are out of touch with reality? That's how you distinguish a bold vision from a crazy pipe dream. The real work of how to manifest, of course, comes into play when you bridge the gap between reality and your vision. As you become a more skilled and experienced creator and manifestor, you will probably develop your own wisdom beyond anything I could suggest to you in this video. Sometimes the details of how to manifest depend on what exactly you have envisioned. Sometimes it depends on the part of reality that you are trying to influence, your industry essentially. Either way, there are a few commonalities and frameworks that I will show you today. We have already discussed that the skilled manifestor is grounded in reality while fantasizing about a grand vision. You may have heard the phrase, feet on the ground, head in the clouds. This is a state that can be difficult to balance, as sometimes reality drags us down into inaction, distracts us with procrastination, or it even defeats us into depression. On the contrary, if you let your vision disconnect you from reality, you are also unlikely to ever create any tangible or meaningful progress toward manifesting your vision, and you risk letting your vision give you anxiety or drop you down into depression. If you have a vision that's grounded in reality, you should be able to see a path between the two. This is your plan. The more elaborate your vision, the higher your goal, the longer and more complicated your plan will be. The only way to make our dreams come true is to successfully execute the plan that bridges reality with your vision. Here's where you have to realize that the longer the path between reality and vision is, the more strenuous your process of manifestation will be. Perhaps it will even render the vision impossible. A longer path means it will take longer, and there are more chances for you to encounter obstacles, face adversity and challenges. There's a higher risk that you have not fully considered every aspect of reality that will interfere with your plan or even invalidate your entire vision. And of course, because every executable step along the way takes time, if the length of your path exceeds your own lifetime, you may never get to see the manifested vision yourself. Of course, for some visions, this is a sacrifice worth taking. Nonetheless, you can already see how merely by considering and thinking about the connection between reality and our vision, we have already manifested a path between the two. The successful execution of this plan, backed by action, is what will make your dreams come true. However, sometimes this execution can be tedious, strenuous, and expensive grunt work. The cost, the expense of execution is always going to be time and energy. We live in a world where both can be purchased with money. But if you don't have enough money to make your dreams come true, or you don't want to spend the money, you have to find ways how to manage your own time and energy to effectively execute on your plan. Making plans, managing resources, and effective execution is a concept that economists have studied for decades. The art and science of productivity is a topic for many other videos. Further, having the ability to execute on this work requires an impeccable psyche built upon the best beliefs and mental frameworks. The art and science of focus and motivation are topics studied by psychologists, philosophers, and motivational speakers, for which you can also reference other videos. But when it comes to manifesting your vision, you can rely on a simple two-step process. Set a milestone and execute the task to achieve this milestone. A milestone is just a goal or a mini vision that is extremely close to reality, so that the steps required to achieve this milestone are so easy that a child could do it. As you've reached your first milestone, you have successfully manifested a mini vision and effectively altered reality. You have created something from nothing and made your mini dream come true. Congratulations, you have just done your first small-scale manifestation. As you patiently and diligently repeat this process, you will slowly but surely elevate your reality to meet your vision. So remember, in order to manifest, you must first realize your full potential as a divine creator. You must understand and have a firm grasp of reality. You must come up with a vision, draw the path that connects your vision with reality by making a plan. Find the first milestone along your path and execute to achieve it. Repeat this process for as long as necessary until you have achieved your goals, until you have created that which is lacking, manifested your desired reality, and ultimately made your dreams come true. There's nothing stopping you from becoming a skilled, experienced manifestor, wise from lessons that were yielded by being productive and managing the valuable resources, time, money, and energy. Your ancestors have manifested the world that you live in today. What are you going to help manifest for future generations? Let me know in the comments below what you are hoping to manifest in your lifetime or beyond.